Hi, I'm Pallavi Simmons, your makeup expert at Glamrs.com. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to groom your brows because I think it's an absolute necessary step for any kind of makeup look, be it natural or glamorous. To begin with, using an eyebrow brush, stroke the hair in the direction of its growth. Brush upwards and outwards. Using a dark brown eyeshadow. Never a black one because a black can make it look too stark unless you have jet black hair. Using a slanted brush, fill in the spaces that you can see between your hair with a very light hand. This will make sure that you don't make lines that are very visible in your brows. Again, work softly outwards. You could use a pencil as well, but only if you have a very steady hand. The danger of a pencil is that you can leave very visible lines. I would still suggest that choose a powder. It could even be an eyeshadow powder. Just make sure it's brown. A best guide would be the color of your hair. Also, what shape do you want your eyebrows to be? If you like them thicker in the center and thinner on the ends, make sure that you work along your natural hairline. There you have it. Thick inside, thinner outside. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay tuned, stay glamorous.